welcome back to our channel. Today is Vlogmas day 21. I still can't believe I've been keeping up with this, y'all. But as you can tell by the title, this is us getting ready for our Christmas pictures. So we have our SKIMS pajamas. I was so excited to get these. My only regret is I didn't try these on us like in advance, but they are like very, very baggy. So I'm hoping that it's not bad, because I'm like, they're baggy. So we're gonna see. So my husband, myself, and my daughter and son, we all have our own Christmas pajamas. And I can just tell by the way that this looks, that this is Ashton. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this open. I'm gonna make sure I film everyone in it. So this is Ashton's. Oh God, he's so tall. I'm almost afraid that this is a little too little, but it stretches pretty well, so it's not. This is a really nice stretch, and it's their cranberry plaid. So it may look red, but it's more so like a cranberry color. Yeah, I'm gonna say that this is good for him. I got him a size 4, and it came as a set. So I wish I would have got him a little bit bigger, but I could tell by the waist that it just would have been small for him. But like I said, it's a nice stretch, so I'm thinking he's gonna be really, really good. I'm not gonna stress. He's gonna be really good. I mean, it's a pajama set, so it's gonna kind of fit snug. So I'm not even gonna trip. This size is an extra small. I got Aubrey the women's collection because I just wanted it to fit really, really comfortable. And oh my God, look at this. Look at this, see? And I didn't get my camera today, y'all. It was supposed to come. But yeah, this is Aubrey's. Oh my God, I almost think I should have got me an extra small. I think I ordered us the same size, or I might have ordered me a small. I don't even remember, but this is her top. But it's pajamas, so it's supposed to be really comfy. Oh God, y'all know she tall. I feel like this is gonna fit perfect. And I'm happy that I read the reviews. So let me see. This is a large. So that means this is my husband's thing, because it said it run big, so I didn't want to get him like, no. He's like, give me an extra large. I was like, no. I read the reviews. It's already oversized. You'll be fine. And I'm thinking I got the perfect size. Oh my God, y'all. This is so perfect. Oh my God. And it feels so. Okay, so. This is gonna be him. So, oh my God, they fit all of this in one package. So they must have put mine by itself. I actually thought when I saw that I had 2 boxes, I was like, surely they put my husband's in by himself. Who would have thought it would have been mine? Okay, I got myself a small. So I got Aubrey extra small, and I got myself a small. And I'm cool because I don't like pajamas like tight. I like to be super duper comfy. And what I really wanted us to have one was like SKIMS pajamas and UGG slippers, but I couldn't do all of that. So we will be wearing, what are we gonna wear? Oh, some black socks. Okay, so this is mine. It is a little big, I can tell, but like I said, I'm going for a comfy look. I don't even care. I probably could have done an extra small, but that's fine. It's a comfy look. I'm glad I didn't get a medium, because normally in pajamas I would wear a medium. So the fact that I got a small and you all can see how this is, that means it's run really, it runs really big and it's oversized. So that's what that is. I'm also gonna link in here. You're gonna see us like trying them on. I'm hoping I get real good videos. Probably gonna show us as we go to the, get our pictures taken. We're going to JC Penney's. I know a lot of people like to do those little photo shoots there where they just like the funny ones. But honestly, I go there a lot, and the photographer that I had booked, the schedules weren't lining up with us anymore. So we made sure to get, just do JC Penney's. And if you know me, you know I had me a Groupon for them. So I'm not stressed about that. Aubrey also is going to change from her pajamas to some pajamas to match her best friend at school. So I'm also gonna kind of film that really, really quickly because she's gonna change at JC Penney's. And then lastly, she's going to ugly Christmas the ugly Christmas sweater party for her dance team. So that's about good team building. That's on Friday. And I might try to take Ashton to the mall to do pictures with Santa Claus. It just really depends. Like, you know, once it get really dark, I be wanting to be in the house. And the fact that I had to go pick her up because my husband would be at work, I may not be out late. So I was trying to tell myself, like, should I be out? So that way, as soon as it's time to like pick her up, I could just leave from there, or should I just leave from home? So decisions. So come with us as we go take our pictures with, come with us as we go take our first holiday pictures as a family. Yeah. Look at me, y'all. Skims. Yeah. Ashton tripping out.
Look, Ashton. Look.
Say Skims. All right, y'all, so we just came back from matching pajama Christmas. I had to run the errand. I didn't want to be out of my Christmas pajamas, so babe, he's still in his. Ashton done took away from his, and Aubrey, she wanted to go to school to match her friends. So we dropped her off, and we got us some Waffle House. Babe got him some cheese grits. I can't wait to eat that. He got a egg and cheese biscuit. I'm gonna take a bite of that too. Bruh. And then he got a chicken biscuit. I'm gonna take like a little small bite of that.
Did you give me some jelly?
Yeah, I got you some jelly, ain't you? God damn. These men, we take care of them so well that they don't know what to do without us. But anywho.
She better. Why you didn't get grape?
I did. I told them grape and strawberry.
There ain't nothing but some strawberry in here.
I told them grape and strawberry. One
grape.
Oh, I didn't mean to say that. Now I gotta edit that out. Y'all know that they slow. Anyways, I got cheese and onions in my hash browns, and I got a Texas bacon, egg cheese melt. So it's time to eat. But anyways, I'm gonna close this vlog going out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment down below. Y'all let me know what y'all think about Skims pajamas, okay? Ain't they cute? All right, bye y'all.